All right, 1, 2, 3, 4.
The warden led a prisoner down the hallway to his doom. I stood up to say goodbye like all the rest, and I heard him tell the warden just before he reached my cell, let my guitar playing friend do my request. Let him sing me back home with the song I used to hear. Make my old memories come alive. Take me away, turn back the years. Sing me back home before I die. Well, I recall that Sunday morning, a choir from across the street came to sing a few old gospel songs. And I heard him tell the singers, there's a song my mama sang. Can I hear it once before I move along? Sing me back home with the song my mama sang.